A day out with Thomas is a lot of fun for the kids, I must admit. Other than the Battle of Bosworth, Shackerstone Station has another royal connection. During Edward VII's reign, he arrived here in the royal train. He had come to Shackerstone to visit Lord and Lady Howe, who lived nearby at Gopsall Hall, which apparently was demolished in 1951. When Shackerstone Station was bought in 1970, it was in very bad condition, so the volunteers had a big job in front of them to bring it back into the state we find it in today. They also had to build the signal box south of the station to replace the Shackerstone Junction box, which had been taken down. I think I read somewhere part of the old station box was used to repair a nearby pub. Here at the station is an excellent, well-stocked museum with well over 3,000 items. There's also a gift shop and a Victorian-style refreshment room. Strangely, Shackerstone Station had never been connected to mains water until the Shackerstone Railway Society took it over. I think the signs are there to tell us that the Griffon's about to leave.
But the driver for that is the signaller in the box. The guy in the grey t-shirt.
And here comes Thomas again.
Of course he can't lead him if you know what I mean. But he is. Daisy's running the penalty tomorrow for the driver.
It's good for the kids though.
Oh, the kids love it. I'm usually on Thomas. I usually play the games for the kids where they soak the soap me and all that, throw water over me and everything. Kids love it. That's one of the board of directors on Thomas. I don't think you want to know about diesels or anything or what goes on. He's the guy. Right, I must go on.
And here comes the diesel multiple unit working under its own steam this time. And at last there goes Griffon taking the train back to Shenton Station again. They're slowing down there at the signal box to get the single track token again. Thomas is going alongside the train there to say goodbye to the children that are on board. While we're here at Shackerstone having a look around, I'll try and give you a little of the history of the line from when it was first built here back in the 1870s. Shackerstone was opened as a junction in 1873 by the Ashby and Nuneaton Joint Railway. The origins of this company can be found back another 30 years in the 1840s, when the Midland Railway found its dominance in the West Leicestershire coalfields was threatened. To protect or defend itself from these predators,